Hi there, my name is Tim Ryan. I own and operate Light 4 Outdoor Lighting in Indianapolis, Indiana, and I am an amp lighting professional. Now, what does that mean? Let me explain. Amp Lighting is a US-based landscape lighting manufacturer that is interested in creating only the very best and most advanced landscape lighting fixtures. Amp Lighting is passionate about landscape lighting design. In fact, the product line was designed in part using the help of landscape lighting designers like myself for lighting designers like you. We wanted to create a product line that was going to be the one answer to all your lighting design dilemma needs. To become an AMP Pro, you must demonstrate your dedication to the profession and also show that you have the skills and expertise that it takes to do exceptional work. With AMP1 spotlights and downlights, I can now fine-tune brightness at every fixture via a wireless remote, and I can change beam spreads in the field. In fact, where I used to need dozens of fixtures and bulbs to get these different light levels and beam spreads, now I can just simply load up my truck with AMP1 fixtures and get all the effects I need. Having these new AMP1 fixtures is absolutely amazing as a lighting designer. Never before in the past have we ever had the capabilities of fine-tuning the light adjustments and the beam spreads all in one fixture. This gives us unlimited capabilities to fine-tune our lighting designs. Another great thing about the AMP lights is a solid cast brass construction. They are incredibly well made and especially durable for corrosive environments. And they have advanced LED technology designed by AMP engineers that's made right here in the USA. AMP lighting fixtures are so durable and so well made that the company backs them with a lifetime warranty, unconditional warranty, which for a guy like me in the field, that's fantastic. If you have any problem with your AMP lighting fixture, they will ship you out a brand new replacement with no hassle at all. If you're a landscape lighting designer like myself, apply to become an AMP Pro. There's no charge whatsoever, and you get access to the industry's best lighting products. There's also dedicated live support and ongoing learning resources available to you. If you, like me, are passionate about landscape lighting and strive with every project to paint the perfect picture with light, then contact AMP Lighting for more details. Thank you.